Hey, it's DrKimDeramo from DrKimD.com. I had a really interesting question the other day from a patient who was asking me, hey, will this mind-body stuff work for me? I have a known diagnosis. I have a known structural physical illness. Will this really work for me? And my answer is abso-freaking-lutely. We tend to think that if we have a diagnosis that it means I have to have medication to correct this. Or if we have like a physical structural problem like a degenerative spine or a disc that slipped loose or something going on in a joint. In this case, the patient had macular degeneration, which is like degeneration of the vessels that serve part of the back of the eye, and that can impair vision. And so we tend to think that if these structural physical abnormalities or illnesses are in place, that it means we can't overcome them or impact them by what's going on in our mind-body connection, how we think about things. And nothing could be further from the truth. Your thoughts very powerfully affect your chemistry. And so especially with like macular degeneration or arthritis and degenerative joint disease, all kinds of structural stuff, it is stemming from inflammation in your body. That is the first response that happens, is that inflammation when we have a stress response that's created because of resistance to what is in the sort of way we're connecting with ourselves. So that will impair healing. It'll actually create vascular problems, and that's what happens with macular degeneration, is the back of the eye not getting the nutrients and the oxygen that it needs. But the same thing happens with like our joints and our physical body, is that it loses resilience. It gets tighter. Things can't, your joints can't kind of like work themselves out as easily, and it can degenerate the padding in between the joints and the cartilage between the joints, all kinds of things like that because of this stress inflammatory response. It's a toxic response. It will cause a lot of wear and tear and breakdown in your body. Well, the opposite's also true, is that when we get that resiliency back, which we can do that ourselves and create that vitality and that youth that heals the body, you can immediately begin to reverse these physical medical illnesses. And I've seen it so many times, people with autoimmune illnesses like thyroid disease, getting off their thyroid medication, people with degenerative joint disease and severe pain, no longer needing pain medications, or no longer needing, they needed to have surgery. Now they don't have to have surgery. So yes, there is a lot that you can do, even for things that are known medical, physical, structural problems. So respond here with your comments, because I want to hear what's going on with you, how you've applied MindBody Medicine, what challenges have come up, and what questions you have. Be sure you're subscribed at DrKimD.com, and we will continue to move forward to bring your body into vibrant health. See you soon.